You've been eating clean, hitting the gym, and cutting back on those late-night snacks. But when you step on the scale, nothing. Frustration kicks in and you start wondering, what am I doing wrong? If this feels all too familiar, you're not alone. And trust me, the problem isn't you. The problem is hidden in plain sight. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand why you're not losing fat, but you'll know exactly what to do to break through this plateau. Stick with me, because the solution might just surprise you. Let's face it, losing fat is hard. We live in a world of conflicting advice. Cut carbs, eat more protein, fast for 16 hours a day. And while we're bombarded with magic solutions, the reality is that many of us feel like we're running on a treadmill going nowhere. Here's the truth, it's not your fault. Your body's been programmed to resist fat loss. For thousands of years, it's evolved to hold on to fat, a survival mechanism for times when food was scarce. But here's the kicker. If you've ever thought maybe my metabolism is broken, spoiler alert, it's not. We'll get to the science in just a moment. Let's dive into why you're stuck. There are three main culprits. And no, it's not because you're lazy or lacking willpower. Let's break it down. The hidden calorie trap. Visual close-up of a healthy smoothie being made with peanut butter, bananas, and chocolate chips. First, hidden calories. Ever heard the phrase, you can't out-train a bad diet? It's true, many healthy foods are secretly loaded with calories. That daily smoothie? It could be 500, 700, or even 1,000 calories. More than an entire meal. 2. The cardio trap. Visual, someone sweating profusely on a treadmill, only to eat a large post-workout snack. Second, the cardio trap. While cardio is great for your heart, it's not the most efficient way to lose fat. And worse, it can trick you into thinking you've burned more calories than you actually have. Cue the "I've earned this burger" mindset. 3. The hormonal factor. High stress levels lead to elevated cortisol, which makes your body hold on to fat, especially around your belly. Combine that with poor sleep, and you've got the perfect recipe for fat retention. But don't worry, you're not stuck with these problems. Because now that we've uncovered them, we can tackle them head on. All right, it's time for solutions. Let's flip the script and focus on what actually works. 1. Track your food without obsessing. Step 1. Start tracking your food. Apps like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer make it easy to spot hidden calories. You don't need to obsess over every gram, but awareness is key. Remember, it's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. Step 2. Shift your focus from cardio to strength training. Building muscle not only tones your body, but also increases your metabolism. Step 3. Manage stress and improve your sleep. Try mindfulness practices like meditation or journaling to lower cortisol levels. And prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, because that's when your body burns fat most efficiently. And finally, consistency. Forget perfection. Progress is what matters. Celebrate the small wins because they add up to big changes over time. And hey, if you mess up and eat an entire pizza on a Saturday night, don't sweat it. One meal doesn't define your journey. Consistency does. The road to fat loss isn't easy, but it's worth it. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or punishing yourself. It's about understanding your body, making smarter choices, and staying consistent. If you're ready to take control of your journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Your transformation starts now. You've got this.